Search the Kids Learning Tube app on Apple and Android devices and download it today for a safe viewing experience while learning commercial free. We built this app just for you. We'll see you on the Kids Learning Tube app.
Go! Oh, hello! I'm Go, and I can make things go. Stop! I stop. Make things stop. I wonder, would you like to explore with us? Where would you like to go first? Tap on the screen to make us go, go, go! I am a completely ordinary chicken. Who are you, and what can you do? My name is Hop, 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 Hooray! I'm here to help you hop today. Hop on one leg, hop on two, hop how you like. It's up to you. That's amazing! Brilliant! I'm actually a secret agent. Try tapping on this screen. Let's find out who this is.
Moo! They call me Moo, that's what I do. When I say moo, then you moo too. Moo!
Wonderblocks. I need number blocks. What's this transition? I need to catch the ball.
Oh, I need to catch it. If you poured a giant Jello packet into the ocean, you might think it would start to turn into Jello. But a single Jello packet only mixes with about 2 cups of water, and the ocean holds about 350 quintillion gallons, which means your Jello packet would need to be 600 miles high to turn the sea into a wobbly dessert. And even if you could pour it into the ocean, to mix it, you'd need a spoon half as big as the moon.